Yeah, actually we have launched a number of products in Jitex, and this is the first time we are launching it outside China. We launched it in China a few days back, and we plan to bring the products to the market commercially by beginning of next year. The concept is we have a full scenario AI solutions, or full stack AI solutions for all scenarios. So basically we have designed and manufactured this chipset. This is the AI chipset. The cost of it is only $200. We're not selling it, we're just integrating it into our infrastructure. But the point is we are making it very affordable for different applications and scenarios. And it is not only that we have designed and manufactured the chipset, but also we have designed the required hardware, the architecture around the chipset to be able to integrate with any open standard system, being a server or a camera or a storage system. And we have also developed the framework for this system to integrate with the rest of the APIs and different applications for different use cases. That has been implemented, already tested in China with some of the airports, some of the smart cities, some of the safe cities. And just to give you some use cases for what we're talking about here, before going there, this is the Atlas 200. So this is the smallest AI server, if you want. It doesn't require any cooling, as you see. It works at a temperature from -40 to +85. You can integrate it to the camera, and the difference it makes today is that today in the normal cameras, you will need to capture the photo of the individual, send it to the command and control center to tell you who he is. With this, actually the system automatically, the camera will understand on the spot and recognize 200 different people in each frame. This is the big difference this is making, and it is of course bringing a lot of intelligence, in this case, to the camera and to the entire safe city and smart city solution. Here we're talking about the Atlas 300, so this is the next generation of the AI Atlas server, and you can integrate that into different systems. Could be into a server, or could be into a machine, could be into a car, and you can have different applications out of it. This is the Atlas 600. This is actually a mobile data center, if you want, right? It's very light. It is the size of a book, right? And it's very affordable. Again, this is what is integrated today in the OD intelligent car. So that's already in place. So you are moving a car into an intelligent car with in a very affordable, lightweight, doesn't require no heat, doesn't require any cooling. So we are making the car intelligent and at a very affordable price. Number of use cases, and that's the key, because again, you could innovate, you could bring new chipset, you could bring new technology, but what are the use cases? How it is going to benefit the different industries? I give you the example of the safe city and the cameras scenario. The other use case is in the medicine. So in the lungs cancer inspection, we have increased the effectiveness of that 50 times using these systems. In the banking, we have used the Atlas 800. That has increased the productivity of the individual who is processing the credit card applications from 50 per day to 1,200 per day. In the airports, also we have implemented the same system that's done in the Shenzhen airport to manage the face recognition of the passengers. So that you need to identify the person only at the airline boarding point, but you don't necessarily need to go to the immigration officer, because then the camera will recognize you, and then you will have a smart gate that will open automatically for you to go through that. And that has reduced now, today, 70% of the passengers in Shenzhen airport are using this gate, so it is live. And that has reduced the waiting time for the passengers by 15 minutes for each. It is also implemented in the traffic control system and the smart city solution for Shenzhen. And again, that has reduced the traffic by 8% and increased the average car speed by 15%. So different applications and different industries, these are the different scenarios. And this is the full stack, so from the chipset to the hardware on top into the software layer that can integrate with any open system or industry standard application to give different solutions for different customers.